A square is a perfect square because A square is same thing as A times A. When a number multiplies itself, the result is a perfect square. And in this case, for example, if you now say square root of A squared, the square root of A squared is the number that multiplies itself to give us A squared. What number is that? That is A. That is the number that multiplies itself twice to give A squared, because square root means at the back of this sign, there is invisible 2. So in the same manner, if you have 25, this implies 5 times 5. And if you are trying to find square root of 25, square root of 25 means what number multiplies itself, twice. That number multiplies itself twice. Something times something gives 25. What number is it? It is 5, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what are other perfect squares? Can you give me? Other perfect squares are, we have numbers such as, we have 100. Examples of perfect square, we have 100. We have 81. They are all revision. I want to ask you, you tell me what the square root of each of them. We have 49. We have 16. We have 1. We have 9. We have 4. We have 36. We have 64. We have 121. We have, okay, we have already written 64. We are 130, 169, 169. We have written 100. We are 144. They are all special numbers. So the reason why I want you to know all these numbers is so that anytime you find them when you are working and you meet them, you quickly know these numbers, their square root will give you a whole number, will give you a natural number. So other aspects of it are, if you have something like, although it's not that maybe there are just few of them that you need to know because there are many. It's not something that we can exhaust. So we have something like 196. We have 225. So we have the one, we have 250, 256. We have numbers such as 400. We have numbers such as 400. Another one that is common, we have 625. So all these and many others, if they are not part of what we have listed here and you meet them in exam, you can quickly check out their value. At least you know all these ones. You must know this one offhand. So if I give you what is square root of 100, can you quickly mental?
10.
Very good. You see now, that means you are making use of your previous knowledge. Square root of 100 is 10 because it is 10 times 10 that will give 100. Square root of 100 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. And if they give you 10 squared, 10 squared means 10 times 10. You say 10 squared is 100. You remember we did that?
Yes.
Okay. So if I give you square root of 81.
Oh, it's 9.
9. I hope you are not using calculator. I
No?
want you to do that offhand. Square root of 81 is 9. Then if I give you square root of 49,
7.
very good. Yes, 7. Square root of 16
8.
is 4.
Oh,
So what about square root of 1?
1.
Square root of 1 is 1. And square root of 0 is 0. Because the number that multiplies itself to give 0 is 0. So we talk about square root of 9.
3.
3, yes. Square root of 4.
2.
2, very good. What about square root of 36?
6.
Yes, 6. Very correct. Square root of 64?
8.
8.
Oh,
Square root of 121. What is square root?
11.
Are you sure you are not, or are you checking out from a chart?
What?
Do you have a particular list of numbers where you are checking it out?
No.
Okay.
I just do my multiplication facts.
Okay, that's good. And square root of 169.
69.
That one is 13. Is it taking? Please take notes. Anytime you see 169 is 13, because there is an aspect we'll still take later, not now, so that you will make use of all this. So we said square root of 144 is what? We talked about this one previously. 144. What number multiply itself to give 144?
Wait.
What?
Is it?
It's 12. It's 12. Please take notes. Take notes of these two. Now I know others now. It's like you will be able to recall others, but this 169 square root is 13. It's 13 times 13 that gives 169. Square root of 144 is 12. It's 12 times 12 that gives 144. Is it taken?
Yes.
Square root of 225 is 15. Square root of 256. What is square root of 256?
Is it 16?
It's 16, yes. So if I now say what is square root of 400?
400. Wait, 200.
Hello,
No.
Mujetuluwa, let me give you the shortcut for every multiple of 10. If it is multiple of 10, that's a perfect square. How you find the square root is easy. Look at this 4. What's square root of 4?
Square root of 4.
4. What is square root of 4?
Oh, wait, it's 200, right?
No. I just say 4. I didn't say 400. 4. Look at the screen. What is square root of 4? Look at my cursor.
What's
Square root of 4 is what?
2.
2. Very good. Just find the square root of the non-zero number there. Square root of 4 is 2. But because we have 2 zeros here, if we have 2 zeros, you write 1 for square root. If you have 6 zeros, you have 3. You write 3 zeros. If you have 4 zeros, you write 2. But here that we have 2 zeros, how many zeros do you write?
1 0.
1. So that means square root of 400 is 20. Is that clear?
Yes.
To test your knowledge further, can you tell me now what is square root of 900?
929. Okay, so it's 20.
30, yes, because square root of 9 is 3, and these two zeros, just write half of the number of zeros that you have there. Do you get how we got
Yes.
that? Okay, if I give you this, Mujetuluwa, if I give you this, 25, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you have this, what is square root of 250,000? What do you do?
Okay, so how many zeros? 1, 2, 4 zeros. Okay.
So you first find square root of 25, then the number of zeros, you write half of
So
them down.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5.
Sorry.
Wait.
It will be
Wait.
5. You say 5. How many zero do you write?
Um. 3
No, how many zeros do we have there?
or 4
Write half of the number. What is half of 4?
or 2.
You write 2 zeros. That means square root of 250,000 is 500. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what you're going to do. And if I give you something like this, 16 million. If I ask you to find the square root of 16 million, what will it be? Still following the same pattern.
16 million. Okay, 6, 8. How many?
Square root of 16 is it 8?
Oh, 4. Sorry, 4.
Okay. For how many zero do we write with it?
Wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3.
Yes. So that means square root of 16 million is 4,000. Is it taken?
Yes.
So square root of 625, the last one here is 25. So I want you can quickly jot that down.
Okay.
So all this number that we have here, they are perfect square. If you say 10 square now, if you put square on this 10, it will give you 100. If you put square on this 9, it will give you 81. If you put square, that's power 2, on this 7, it will give you 49, and so on. If you go square, if you raise this 25 to power of 2, if you say 25 to the power of 2, and you multiply out, 25 to the power of 2 means 25 times 25. If you multiply that out, it will give you 625. That means square root of 625 is 25. The number that multiplies itself twice to give 625 is 25.
Oh,
Let me know when you are done copying.
okay. So, I'm